Every year, millions of small businesses are launched by entrepreneurs worldwide. But did you know that 8 out of every 10 small enterprises fail or close down? There could be various reasons for startup failures, such as a lack of capital or competitive advantages. While launching a firm, we must pay more attention to the latest trends. Creating a futuristic strategy is not rocket science. All you need to do is keep up with the current business trends and keep an eye on falling industries and the fastest-growing jobs. Do you wish to launch a profitable startup and are looking for new business ideas for future firms that will thrive in 2023? If so, here are some of the top future company ideas. 1. Future business ideas for the Internet of Things (IoT) industry. The Internet of Things refers to anything humans utilize with Internet access to send and receive data. According to McKinsey Global Institute, this industry has the potential to create $4 trillion to $11 trillion in global value by 2025. Believe it or not, it is one of the top prospective online business ideas for the coming years. In recent years, we have witnessed remarkable advancements in the technical industry, particularly on the smartphone front. For example, consider UBR if you need to travel to the office quickly. If you want to examine the approaching weather conditions, there are specific mobile applications that will allow you to do so and help you take proper precautions. Simply said, people use cutting-edge technology for their convenience and comfort. Technology has also provided the path for new business models to change the way we do business. E-commerce models have completely altered the way we seek and purchase things, and companies like Amazon have demonstrated the value of creating an online store for sending tangible products. Amazing Selling Machine, for example, teaches people how to establish and expand their profitable e-commerce firm. Your future is bright. Just wrap your head around these innovative concepts and be prepared to be amazed at the progress you will make. 2. Mobile app development. As businesses seek to capitalize on the tremendous potential of mobile technologies, mobile app development is a rapidly rising profession. Creating a mobile app generally consists of 4 essential stages: conception, design, development, testing, and launch. Ideation is the first step in which the team brainstorms ideas and develops the concept for the app. Once the fundamental concept is established, the design team develops wireframes and mock-ups to visualize how the app will appear and work. The development team then constructs the app based on these concepts, ensuring it meets all technical requirements. Finally, the software is rigorously tested before it is released with the introduction of each new generation of mobile devices. The options for mobile app development continue to expand, making it an exciting and ever-changing area. 3. Virtual doctors/medical apps. Virtual services are becoming popular because of the spread of pandemics and its improvement. People favor virtual services over real ones. Likewise, offering virtual medical services is a fantastic idea. Investors and developers are creating medical applications in which doctors supply their services and patients use them. Aside from doctors, some apps can help you find drugs and deliver them to your house. Because of their ease, these applications and services are fast gaining popularity and are predicted to take over a significant portion of physical healthcare services. According to Business Wire, the virtual healthcare delivery business was valued at roughly $21 billion in 2016 and is predicted to increase to $95 billion by 2026. If you decide to enter this sector, you will likely see a high return on your investment. 4. Manufacturing of artificial body parts. Many new business sectors have evolved due to the combination of biological sciences and engineering. One of the most remarkable industries is the production of artificial body parts. Finding a solution for birth defects and those that emerge during life as a result of an accident has been one of the primary concerns of doctors and researchers. Thankfully, the combination of engineering and medical disciplines produced a very efficient answer to this problem. As an investor, you can put your money into this venture. However, being an engineer or a medical professional will give you extra points. 5. 3D printing. Nowadays, 3D printing is one of the most profitable new company concepts. It is especially true, considering that it has changed how prototypes are made. In contrast to traditional manufacturing methods, which entail cutting and shipping materials to achieve an offset, 3D printing builds and offsets layer by layer. It allows greater design flexibility and the creation of complicated objects with exquisite detailing. The need for 3D printers is on the rise as a result of their popularity. Initially, 3D printers were costly for many entrepreneurs. However, prices have gradually lowered over time. Yet these printers remain out of reach for many people. Starting a 3D printing business is terrific. So, what's stopping you? The good news is that there are various 3D printing business ideas, and chances are high that you may take advantage of them with a small investment. 3D printers currently range in price from $2,000 to $15,000. Prices are determined primarily by the specifications and features of the 3D printers. Consider this a one-time investment if you want a 3D printer with good features. You must buy this equipment, set up shop, and start advertising your firm to attract high-paying clients. 3D printing will significantly impact the commercial world in the next few years. 6. Social media marketing. Anyone who works in business surely understands the importance of marketing. Previously, companies would market themselves through newspaper advertisements, television commercials, and radio spots. However, in today's digital world, social media has become one of the most powerful marketing tools available. With platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, they allow businesses to reach a large audience with minimal effort. By making content people want to reach out. The trick is to use targeted advertising. A company can quickly gain following from people who might buy from them. Best of all, social media marketing is generally inexpensive, making it an appealing alternative for small businesses. All companies must get on board to stay ahead of the competition. That concludes this video, fellas. Did you like watching this video? Please subscribe to our channel to watch unique and inspiring videos. Thank you for tuning in.